In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bootstrap4 NavBar in Angular 5. I'm going to use Bootstrap4 initial set for Angular 5. This set is explained by another video titled How to Set Up Bootstrap4 Environments for Angular 5. So, if you have not watched the video, please watch it at first. At first, we need to download Bootstrap4 initial set. It is currently based on Bootstrap version 4.0.0 and ngBootstrap version 1.0.0. So it is based on the official version, not beta version. Via browser, open GitHub site. Its URL github.com/auths/ng5 bootstrap4 initial. Click green clone or download button and copy web URL. In your command line, change into your special get directory. Here it's _get. Type get clone and paste the web URL. Next, change into the project directory. Type code dot for Visual Studio Code. In VS Code, type control at or key for opening command line in VS Code. Then type npm i-gulp for installing gulp locally. This process will take some time. After the installation, type gulp lookup backup for making a project backup. Open your File Explorer, copy the backup project to the parent directory. We are going to make ng5 Bootstrap4 NavBar project, so change the backup project directory name to ng5 Bootstrap4 NavBar. Back in the command line, change into ng5 Bootstrap4 NavBar directory. Type code dot for starting another VS Code. In VS Code, type control at or key for opening command line in VS Code. Then, in the last panel, select package.json file. Copy the project name. This is ng5 Bootstrap4 initial. In the left sidebar, click search icon and rename the project name from ng5 Bootstrap4 initial to ng5 Bootstrap4 NavBar. In the left sidebar, click Explorer icon. Save the target files. In the command line, type npm i for installing all the needed libraries. Then type ngs for starting local server. In a browser, open http://localhost:4200. You will find Bootstrap4 buttons. Back in the VS Code, type Ctrl+C and Y return to stop the local server. Back in the browser, open Bootstrap example site. Its URL getbootstrap.com/docs/4.0/examples/. Click NavBar's link. You will see the NavBar page. Then open the source in your browser. The target navbar is navbar expand md. Copy the target lines. Back in the VS Code, open app component.html file. Paste in and comment out the old HTMLs. Save this file. In the command line, type ngs for starting local server. Back in the browser, open localhost 4200. You will find the navbar. It's almost okay, but the drop-down list is not valid. We're going to fix it. Back in the VS Code, open app component.html file. We are going to embed ngb drop-down. Save this file. Back in the browser, click Dropdown. OK. Thank you for watching.